Hi guys, welcome to Data Missiles Python Code channel. Yes, in the last video we had seen about data types. हम लोग ने last video का अंदर and Python का अंदर what are the data types and with practically uh, हम लोग ने देखा था. ठीक है, okay. Today we are going to see about data structures. So data structure. राइट सो आज ये देखेंगे हम लोग डेटा स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में यस आई नो so we already seen the data types. Today I'm talking about one new word, that is data structure. So normally one question must have raised in our mind, right? So that question is actually between what is the difference between data type and data structure? So that's naturally this question raises in our mind. Okay, so let me explain you. So what makes the difference? So data type is just we are assigning one of the value to the variable. So that value only has the that particular data type. For example, I have a variable called name. Okay, so I'm just assigning one of the string here. Okay, that is James Bond. Okay, so James Bond is the name. So this is string, right? So this is also one of the data type in the string data type. This is okay. Next, and again I come to this variable name. Yes, Mr. Name. I have my one of the close friend also. So James Bond and Jackie Chan. So he is my close friend. So both can we have in our single variable both the names. So Jackie Chan. Okay. So then this variable says no. This variable says no. Why? Because I can only have single value. Variable has single value, whatever the data type it is there, maybe number, maybe string. So this is wrong. It cannot be this. So this is wrong mode. So how do I do? So if I wanted to store multiple names or multiple values like this James Bond, Jackie Chan, like some other, if I wanted to store them into the single variable, then this kind of approach doesn't work. So in a single variable to store multiple values, data structures has been in data structures role is like that. Okay. So what is the role of data structure? So so data structure role is like that. Multiple values, multiple values store into single variable. Okay, single variable. That's why single variable. So that is the role of data structures. So Python has very good data structures. Okay. And by using that, whenever you may work with ML or data processing or image pre-processing, take as any kind of data, if you wanted to process these data structures plays very major role. So that is the reason very important. Okay, so Python ka andar we have to learn these things. Okay. So what are the types of data structure? So let me explain you here. We have a three variety of data structures are there. One is list, list, list. Okay, another one is tuple, tuple. The third variety, dictionary. Okay, dictionary. These three data structures plays very major role when you are working with ML or a DL or normal some data processing algorithms. So these three plays the major roles. That is the reason we have to learn these three in a very good manner. So list, tuple, and dictionary. So three variety of data structures are there. You know, the Python has given this list and tuple dictionary. Okay, so very easy way to whenever you wanted to define something or whenever you wanted to do some kind of operations. Okay, so very easy way. So Python has been provided. We can identify very easily by seeing that value itself only. Yes, this data structure is whether it is a list or tuple or dictionary. Easily will come to know. So how it can be, right? So only one symbol only, and that is going to the differentiate between all these data structures. Suppose I have a variable uh, variable name itself as a name. So this is my variable name. So I wanted to insert my all friends rows. Okay, I wanted to all my friend names into this particular list. List always starts with the square bracket, end with the square bracket. So value should go in between this. So whoever my friends are there, yes, James Bond, one of my friend, and the another one is Mr. Chan, Jackie Chan. The third one is Khan, like that. So single variable, if I wanted to store multiple values, then only data structure is coming into the picture. So I have multiple values. I have a multiple friends into a single variable in the form of list. So when I say this square bracket, then automatically Python understands, yes, this value is belongs to the list. Same thing, if I wanted to write in tuple, okay, so same variable, if I wanted to write in tuple, so name, I'm taking the same variable name. That variable is called a name. Okay, so whenever I wanted to write something values in the tuple format, so within angular bracket, I need to write multiple values. So this is the tuple we can define in a such a way. So when I see this square bracket, I understand, yes, this is the list. When I see angular bracket, yes, I understand this is my name. Yes, sorry, this is tuple. Okay. The third one is same variable name I am taking. Okay. So if I define into the curly braces, okay, then this treats as a Python treats as a dictionary. So here it is key separated and value. So what these and all we'll see in the coming videos. Okay. So here how to define the uh, list. This is for the yes, this is for the list, and this is for tuple. So we can define tuple in such a way, tuple tuple, and dictionary is like this. Okay, in the curly braces. We should remember these basic things. Okay, so this is yes, dictionary. Okay, so these three data structures are very very important. So what is the role of each data structure? Where to use list? Where to use tuple? When to use dictionary? What kind of scenarios? And what are the operations of individual list, tuple, and dictionary? That shortly I will post in my coming videos. Okay, so in my next video, please, in my next video, I'm going to post about list data structures. So first हम लोग ये पढ़ेंगे, next tuple, next dictionary. take one by one. So in my next video I'm going to come up with list. So how to define list, what are the operations involved, where to use all these points. So I'm going to shortly post into the uh, next video. Okay, till then, bye bye.